Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain you matrix multiplication. First, understand little bit of about matrix. What is a matrix? A matrix is an array of numbers. So let's take a matrix here. So this is 2, 6, 7, minus 3, 4, 0. So this is a matrix. To multiply a matrix by a single number will be very easy. So let's understand first to multiply a matrix by single numbers. I'm going to multiply a matrix by 2. Let's take small matrix. This is here 5, 3, 0, minus 4. And this is very easy. So just multiply 2 by each number and we will not change the place of any number, just multiply and write as it is. So 2 multiplied by 5 will be 10, 2 multiplied by 3 will be 6, 2 multiplied by 0, 0 and 2 multiplied by minus 4 will be minus 4, minus 8. So here 2 is called a scalar. 2 is scalar here. So that's why this is called scalar multiplication. Now let's understand row and column of a matrix. So if I'm going to take 1, 3, minus 4, 2, 5, 0, here this way, here 1 and 2 rows and here 1, 2 and 2 column. So here 2 row and 3 column. So we will say here this matrix is 2 by 3 matrix and we will write it this way and we will read it 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix means this represent row and this represent column. So this way row and this is your column. If I'll write it down here, let's take 1, 3, 5, minus 4, 2, 6. So here, can you see here? This is 1 row, 2 and 3 row and this is 1 and 2 column. So we'll write it down. This one is 2, 3 by 2 matrix. 3 represent row and 2 represent column. So 3 by 2 matrix this is. Now let's understand what is called square matrix here. So I'm going to explain you square matrix here. Square matrix. In square matrix, row and column will be same. As here you can see 2 row and 3 column and here 3 row, 2 column. But I'm going to write it down here 2 minus 4, 3. So here you can see here 2 rows and 2 column. So this is called square matrix. So this is, as you can write it down, 2 by 2 matrix. Both row and column will be same. So this is called 2 by 2 square matrix. So this is called square matrix of 2 by 2. Or you can say that 2 by 2 square matrix. Now if you write it down 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 0. Let's take any number. Just I'm explaining you the matrix. So 3, 9 and 4. So this is, as you can see here, this is 3 row and 3 column. Row and column are same. Number of row equal to number of column. So it means this is a square matrix. So this is called 3 by 3 square matrix. Now if I write it down, a matrix here, 1, 3, minus 4. So see here, there is only one row, but here 3 column. So this is called 1 by 3 matrix. 1 row and 3 column. So 1 by 3 matrix this is. Now there is another matrix called identity matrix. Now understand what is identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix is either 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. So in identity matrix, 1 will be on main diagonal and zeros everywhere else. So identity matrix we represent as I2 or I3, or you can say that IN. I2 means 2 row 2 column. I3 means 3 row 3 column. N means n row n column, which we don't know what will be n there. So there n will be anything 2, 3 or 4, anything. Let's understand what is I2 matrix. I2 matrix is I2, I means identity matrix of 2 by 2. So there is, as I said 1 on main diagonal and zeros everywhere. So 1, 0 and 0, 1. So this is the main diagonal, 1, 1 and 0 everywhere. So this is I2 matrix. Now let's draw I3 matrix. I3 matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So as you can see, 1 in main diagonal and zeros everywhere. So this is called I3, identity matrix of 3 by 3. Now I will explain you the matrix multiplication. Let's write down. Now you know what is matrix. Now I will explain you matrix multiplication. So I'm going to take it here, 2 matrix here. Let's take it 1, any number. I'm going to take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's multiply this matrix by 4, 3, minus 5, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 0, and 2. How to multiply this matrix? Start with first row. And let's take first row of first matrix and first column of second matrix and start multiplying by this. Take this first number first and multiply by first number of second matrix. So this will be this way, and this here it will go here and this here. Let's multiply it out here. So I'm going to remove this one. So here it will be 1 multiplied by 4 plus this 2 multiplied by 1, and then this 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Now take second row here of first matrix and keep the first column here same and apply the same rule here. So I will come to second row as you are taking second row of first column. So come to second row of resulting matrix. So as 4 multiplied by 4 here. So 4 multiplied by 4 plus second number here 5 multiplied by 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 plus this 6 multiplied by 2. 6 multiplied by 2. Now take the third row of first column and keep the first row with you. Write down here 7 multiplied by 4 plus 8 multiplied by this 1 and then plus 9 multiplied by 2. 9 multiplied by 2. So we did the first row of first column of resulting matrix. Now we will move on to next one. Now I'm going to take another color here. So take it again, same one, this matrix, this row, and now come to the second column of second matrix. So 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 and 3 multiplied by 0. So take it here 1 multiplied by this 3 plus 2 multiplied by minus 2. So 2 multiplied by minus 2 and 3 multiplied by 0 plus 3 multiplied by 0. Now take this one, second one, and keep the second column, second row and second column. Now 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by minus 2 and then plus 6 multiplied by 0. Now take the third row and third column here, second column. Now 7 multiplied by 3 plus 8 multiplied by minus 2 plus this 9 multiplied by 0. Now second column done of the resulting matrix. I'm going to remove this one as I need place here. Now take the first row of this and come to third column of the second matrix. Write down here 1 multiplied by minus 5, 1 multiplied by minus 5 plus this 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2. Then take second row, this second row and third column. Write down 4 multiplied by 5 minus 5 and then plus this 5 multiplied by 3, 5 multiplied by 3 and 6 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 2. Now take the third row and the third column of this. Here it will be 7 multiplied by minus 5 plus 8 multiplied by 3 plus 9 multiplied by 2. This is our resulting matrix. Thus you need to calculate it here. So here it will be multiply it out 4 plus 2 plus 6 and then come here 16 plus 5 plus 12. Then here it will be 28 plus 8 plus 18. Now here multiply it out 3 minus 4 plus 0. 4 3 12 minus 10 plus 0. 7 3 21 minus 16 and plus 0. Come to the third column. So here it will be minus 5 plus 6 plus 6. then here minus 20 plus 15 plus 12, then minus 35 plus 24 plus 18. We are nearly there. Now we have the result is for add it here first element here 6 to 8 and 4, here it will be 12, then we have 33, then we will have 44, 54 minus 1 2 5 7 7 7. So this way we will multiply the two matrix. If you want to, this is 3 by 3, we multiply it 3 row 3 column matrix by 3 row 3 column matrix. So this way we will multiply two matrix here. Let's take here 2 by 2 matrix. So let's take it here 2 5 4 6. This will be very easy. Minus 3 2 0 1. Multiply it out this one. So as here take first row and we will multiply it by first column of second matrix. So 2 by minus 3 plus same rule 5 by 2, and then I'm going to take second row and same first column. So I'm going to take second row. So we have to multiply and write it down in the second row of the resulting multiplication. So 4 multiplied by 3 here minus 3 and plus 6 multiplied by 2. Now what we will do, we will come to the, this is 2 row. So in result matrix we will get 2 row. Then we will take the first row and we will come to the second column. First row, second column. Here it will be 2 multiplied by 0 plus 5 multiplied by 1. Then we will come here second row and second column. So here it will be 4 multiplied by 0 plus 6 multiplied by 1. So this is our resulting matrix. So just multiply it out. Here it will be minus 6 plus 10, and then here minus 12 plus 12, and then here it will be 0 plus 5, and here it will be 0 plus 6. We will get here minus 6 plus 10, here it will be 4, 0, and then 5 and 6. This way we will multiply. This is 2 by 2 matrix, how to multiply. Now let's take one more example here. Here I'm going to take it this example. If I will have to multiply 3, 4, 5, this matrix, and if we have to multiply it, this one, 3, 2, 1. So can you see here? Here it is 3 row and 1 column. And here 1 row and 3 column. So how to multiply this one? Take the first row and first column. Follow the rule. So here you will get 3 by 3. No number underneath here. So here you will get 3 by 3. Now you have to move on to second row. Second row and keep the first column. So second row you will get 4 multiplied by 4. As I'm going to change this one so that you can understand, 3 by 3. Now 4 by 3. Now this is second row, so that's why I'm writing here second row. Now come to third row and keep the first row here. So here we will write 5 multiplied by 3. Now again come to first row and keep the first column. Here I am going to keep the keep the first row and second number. Now here we will write 3 multiplied by 2. Then no number underneath, so we will not plus it here. So now come to second column here. I'm going to take another color. So second column, second row and second column. Here it will be 4 multiplied by 2. Then we will write it down, go to the third row, here third row and again second column. So here we will, third row, it means we are going to write in the third row. So 5 multiplied by 2. Now one more column should be there because in the second matrix there is 3 column. So in resulting matrix we will get the 3 column here. Now write it down here. Come to first here. So 3 by this first row and last column. So 3 by 1. And then you will come here second row and last column. So here it will be 4 multiplied by 1 and then you will get here third row and then third column. So here 5 multiplied by 1. So this is your resulting matrix equal to, multiply it out, 9, here it will be 12, 15, 6, 8 and 10. And then here it will be 3, 4, 5. See, two matrices are so small matrix, 3 row, 3 column. Here we will get 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 row and 3 column. So we will always get in the resulting matrix row from first matrix and column from the second matrix. Okay. Now matrix multiplication can be possible if and only if the number of column in the left matrix equal to number of row in the second matrix. So if I'm going to write here, so let's take 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6 matrix here. So as matrix multiplication only possible if the number of row in the number of column in the left matrix equal to number of row in the right matrix. If I'll take 3 column here and let's take another matrix 2 row. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So as I will say here, number of column of left matrix should be equal to number of row of right matrix. But here number of column, what is the number of column here? In this matrix 3. And here number of row is 2. This is not equal. So multiplication will be not possible. So this is the rule. If you are going to multiply two matrices, let's check first. You will get some question true or false. So here see here 3 column should be here 3 row, 3 column 3 row. But here 3 column but here 2 row. So you can't multiply. So let's check, can we multiply this out or not? So this row I'm going to take this column, multiply it out, 3 by 2, 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3 plus this number 5 should multiply some number here. So we can't multiply this matrix here.